Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all honor, love, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you are learning to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 30, NASDAQ up 3, S&P's off 3.5, gold contract up $3.50, trading at $12.27 an ounce. Silver up 15 cents, $16.41 an ounce. Platinum up a buck, $9.19 an ounce. Copper up a penny and a half at $2.51 a pound. Light sweet crude flat, $47.86 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 18.6, 125.16. 30-year bond up 28 151.16. King dollar down 400 ticks, 99.110. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 113 and a quarter to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We go over, take a look at the SPY. You get a sideways market out here, down 41 cents. You're at 238. Yesterday, we got to a low. You had an expansion of volume. Bottom line, rejected price. What you're going to have on the weeklies out here is that bottom line is that you're going to have a high, testing the high of the 17th, the week of the 17th of March, as well as the actual high, which is the week of March 1st. So here you go. Right, thus far, we've done 246 million, going into 380 million, and going into 454 million. So the correlation is pretty intense, meaning you're shot by 200 million shares on the weekly. And on the weekly, you get a close under 239.72. You get a failure. And we're at 238.95 right now. Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials, you get a sideways move out here today. You're at 20,887. We put this on a weekly. This is a little bit different on a weekly. Bottom line is that this hasn't been able to hold price at all. It did test the highs of the week of the 29th of April, and it failed. So bottom line is that wants lower price. NASDAQ Composite, NDX 100, different ball game. Bottom line is that the composite right now is up $2. The composite's still at highs. Weekly basis, you're at 61.18. Anything over 61.02, you get a higher high. Well, we know we have a higher high, but you're going to close in at a higher high. NDX 100, we take a look at the NDX 100. NDX 100 right now also looks like it's going to close at a high. We're 56.83. Yeah, anything over 56.46 is bottom line, can get a higher price. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here. Did 184,000 contracts today. We are at 1227.90. This little baby still needs, some wide price spread accelerated volume. We got inside the 1225.70 area, which is important. That area is two different benchmarks. It's the benchmark from the downdraft on the 4th of May, as well as what had been testing Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week. Actually, all week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That's the 1225 area. That is the last time that we came off the bottom. March 15th, goes topside from 1200 to 1225, has big volume there. On a weekly, you're going to see that this rejected that, and it rejected it with lighter volume. So bottom line, we'll see what happens next week if, in fact, it can get and catch a bid. Silver contract, bottom line, at least saved itself. Up 15 cents today, 55,000 contracts. We put this on a weekly, and on a weekly, silver looks good. We didn't break the lowest swing point, which is 1586. You got to 15 No, you got the 1606, and you're going to close inside the range from last week. So it looks like silver wants to make a bounce. That being said, and what could back the silver and the gold up is that you did have the XAU, the HUI, and the gold equities, silver equities catch a bid out here the last couple days. Right now, if you take a look at the XAU, XAU is trading up 72 cents. You're at 84. This wants to make the downtrend from the $90 level is broken, meaning this week, bottom line, next stop, going to make it build some cars, get up to the $90 area. If we go to the gold bugs index, the HUI, what you're going to see inside the HUI, same type of setup. HUI is up $1.26 today. You're at 196. That's going to be making a run for 216. And inside of that, a few of these are really performing. You have Royal Gold, folks, blow away. Swing point out here had some good volume in it. We'll see whether it's going to be an ABC up. We need 640,000 shares for an ABC up. It's at 548 right now. I don't think it's going to get 100,000 coming into the close. That being said, this baby here looks to me like this is what's going to be pretty intense here. This looks like it's going to make a run to its highs. You get Royal Gold making a run to its highs. Royal Gold in Franco-Nevada, FNV, they're both royalty companies. They love moving before the actual contract moving. That does move. And Franco-Nevada is set up the same way. In fact, Franco-Nevada, this is, on a weekly, it's over the swing point with volume. You get an ABC up. Your A point is 60, B point 70, C point 64, which is 74. A to B equals C to D. Notes. 10-year note, folks, is setting up that next week. It looks to me like this market wants to go lower. Bond prices want to go lower. Prices want to go higher. Yields want to go lower. So we had wide price spread out here today. You're at 125.16. This looks like it wants to make the run for 126. And good old King Dollar, folks. King Dollar just can't handle it. King Dollar failed on price, failed on volume yesterday, came off that level, and it's going down with volume expanding. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow right now is down 36. Nasdaq's up 2. S&Ps are down 4. We're going to be right back.
If you're an active